So we're at the pet store, and there is a parakeet on the outside of the cage. He's not inside. Ooh, there he goes. Hey, buddy. What are you doing outside, huh? Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He's up in the rafters. He's up there like, I'm going to poop on you. I'm going to poop on you. There he is. Hey, you guys know your buddy's gone, huh? You know your buddy got out? He's up there. Is he going for help? Oh, oui, Gaston has left us. He will be back one day, and he will bring the king parakeet with him. And the king parakeet will set us free. Good God Almighty, he'll set us free.